I'm taking the Tumblr accent challenge. Your name and username. Peyton, forever remember the endeavor. Where are you from? Central Florida. Pronounce the following words. Ant, roof, route, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, caught, naturally, aluminum, GIF, tumbler, crackerjack, doorknob, envelope, good picture of you. What's it called when you throw toilet paper in your house? Toss me a roll. What is a bubbly carbonated drink called? Soda. What do you call your gym shoes? Sneakers. What do you call your grandparents? Dead. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you... The fuck, 1 second. Carry groceries? A shopping cart? What is it called? A remote. The thing you change the TV with. Do you think you have an accent? I don't know. Be a wizard or a vampire? Fuck vampires. Do you know anyone on Tumblr in real life? We. End audio post by saying any 3 words. Any 3 words.